yourself. Hello guys, welcome again back to our channel. I am ready for love with Canessa and Jerome. Yeah man, I'm here one day here today. Canessa is not here with me today, but nonetheless, we're gonna run the video. People, I am up like it's now after 5 in the morning. I should have done this video like long time ago, but honestly, it's hard man. I try to find the time and everything. I should have and could have done better. I didn't get a chance to do so. I started it yesterday and I didn't get to complete it. So I get up this morning and say, you know what, I'm gonna run the video, edit the video, then I'm gonna go to church. You understand? So today is International Daddy Day. Yeah man. Today is Father's Day and I really want to shout out, big up all the fathers them. So all the fathers, big up yourself. All who is not even a biological father, but you know, say, yeah, you step up to the plate and you play the role there. Big up yourself. All who still left on the truck, the driver of the truck, big up yourself. Alright? Yeah. So I really want to say big up to all the men, and on a serious note though, I want to say to all men who know that yes, you have stepped up and you're playing that manly role. Big up yourself man. Happy Father's Day to you. As I would have said before, even if you're not yet a father, don't rush the thing. We know that there are some persons going through their individual and their own unique situation where complications can be there along the way to become a father. Don't give up. Things will happen. Nothing happen before the time. There are some people who still not find the right person yet for the plan. See there. Guess what? Don't rush the thing. Everything happen timely, right? So just trust the process. But nonetheless, if you have your little cousin, your little friend, just a child in the community, a whole class, a student that you actually adopt and treat them as your own, I want to say to you, big up yourself. You understand? Continue doing what you're doing. We really need more manly figure in our world today to really help to mold the mind of the children around us. So to those men, big up yourself. As I talk about that, you know, guys, I was at a particular location Friday. I stopped by to do some business before I reach home, and honestly, I saw something that really kind of dragged my mind, and I begged the man, then please. I was on the scene and I realized that there was this man had 2 children, one about 9-year-old, the other one seemed to be about 7, 6, somewhere there about, probably 7. The girl was the 9, the son seemingly 7-year-old. And the man was just so frustrated, just a beat up himself and a cuss up himself and all them good things. And I sit down and I watch him and I say, boy, okay. And the man deal with the daughter in such a way that at one point I saw him sending the young lady to shop. And I seen throw the money I grown gear for take up that and just peer the worst words. I can't even use the words. And into the son the same thing. So I just said to somebody who actually work at the place, say, so this brother deal with him pitting them? And the man look at me and say, you know, see nothing yet. I don't want to tell the guys what I did, what I respond, or I'm not going there, you understand? But me I tell you the truth. It cut me to the core because I'm saying I didn't know that I didn't want a long time, man. But I didn't know that these creatures still exist, especially in today's 21st century. Like, me think people kind of wise up, and me think some man reach a point now whereby we start love our children and know that, boy, it's emotion, nothing is wrong with you expressing those positive emotions to your children. So I'm saying to the men out there, don't think that being rough and being tough means you're masculine. It simply means you're a fool. You understand? Because there are some people who misinterpret masculinity and believe that if you don't rough up and tough up, you're not a real man. You're a mad man. You understand? Not even a man, you're a mad creature. So I'm simply saying to the men out there, show your youth love, make them know, say, man, you love them, you appreciate them, build that bond with them and that relationship with them, that they can come, they can speak with you, them can rate you not just as a father, but daddy, you're my friend. Daddy, you are my... I didn't want... You understand? They see you as something important because I'm looking at him. Guys, I don't want to talk about him to inspire me, you understand? But brother, honestly man, I tell you the truth. I think... I don't want to say it, guys. I don't want to say it because if something cut me, I don't want to tell what I did. What I said, I don't want to say anything about that. But I had to come home and talk to Canessa and I said, Canessa, I saw this today and it hurt me. You understand? So big man out there. Again, like I say, masculinity doesn't mean that you need to be disrespectful, you need to be tough, you need to be harsh. on your children. Masculinity simply means that you're going to be a responsible father, one who love, one who understand and communicate that way with their child or children. Good? Anyhow, watch the one. So Candice had asked me to do a video just to basically express my feeling now, since we're almost there, not there, but we're getting there with pregnancy, because she should have in previous video expressed what it is for her, how she's feeling and all of that, so she had asked me to do the same. So today I'm going to do that in quick, not long. For me, I think I am I don't know, like I'm trying to check in on my emotions sometimes, and I don't know if I don't know. I think I'm just anticipating that day to see what the moment, what the time is going to do to me. But I am more so concerned for her now. Like, I want to know that she's okay, because I think it sort of give me the understanding. So, once she alright, then I think the baby is going to be okay. Over the past couple of weeks, some things happened that really break me down and sort of help me to understand how vulnerable I am. And it sort of helped me to understand how much I love her. Like, I think a couple times, one particular time I saw her and she was crying. And I was saying, babe, what is it? And she was like, I'm tired, I don't know how long I can do this. And just seeing her, I don't like to see her crying, none at all. Like, I'm not used to it either. It caught me. I said, Jesus Christ, God, it have to be like this. And she cry, and Candice is the kind of person who don't cry. Like, these people actually be going through stuff and they hold it. Like, yeah, you have to be good for to say something alright. Or if she was talking, so she not alright, but the tears might not come. And when I saw her crying, it started to tear me up. Like, I said, wow. So it helped me to connect to her more, in a sense, and it started to evoke some emotions in me that perhaps I haven't felt for a long time. Like, I said, Jesus Christ, like, you understand? So I am at that place now that I'm really feeling it for her and really want this thing to over so she can get a break. As I would have said to you guys in previous video, one of the things that this whole process is doing for me too is that it is getting me sorry guys, me just wake up, hush. It is helping me to become more prepared mentally and mentally in a financial way. I hope I'm not confusing, Lord God. At the morning talk, you understand? Yeah. So I have really sit down and start work out stuff like, alright then bro, family increased by 1 now, so there are some goals that we want to attain, and now we start to put more pace on it now, in the sense that if we're saying that we want this particular thing in 2 years, we start saying, alright then we have to try to shot this in a year. So it kind of helped me to become more focused, and I'm really appreciative of that, because there are times that I am miserable at myself, that I feel like, boy, I want to feel stuck. Like I'm searching for that passion that was once there, that go-getter attitude. Not to say that it's gone, but there are times in life I believe that we can become a bit relaxed, and I always tell myself, say, now is not the time for me to relax, now is the time for me to go hard, you understand, and later on I relax. So I think I've become somewhat relaxed, not all the way relaxed, because that's just not me, not in my nature. But now I think this whole situation has pushed me again, give me that extra oomph to say, yeah, you need to go back on the grind, you good? So I think that has happened to me. Guys, I don't know, I'm just happy, I'm just excited, like, yo, I just want to see the baby. Like, every day I say, yo, what my baby look like? I don't know if you know me. I can say, like, the kind of thing that I am just happy, overjoyed. Like, I am just happy for what is going to happen, what is coming. And I'm really and truly grateful for Candice. Like, I have always worried that, boy, the process would have been this or it would have been that, because I understand her situation. But to this point, I am like in awe, and I'm just happy. Like, I didn't underestimate her, but she has shown me so much that guess what? I am a strong woman. You understand? She has been doing a great job, like excellent. She overcame a lot of things, like whole leap, like she stepped over a lot of things, and I'm really grateful for that. So even though she wanted me to do this video to talk about how I feel, honestly people, I am okay. So I want to really use this video to say to her, Kanisa, I am proud of you and I appreciate what you're doing. Though today's Father's Day, I'm still gonna be your babe. I appreciate what you're doing. I'm gonna say, yo, it's not easy. And there are aspects of this that some person will not understand yet. But later on, we'll let you know into that. So you might wonder, oh, me thought that we had not talk about whatever. But later on, we'll pick up the part there. But I am proud of what you are doing. Like, you have shown me that you're strong. You show me that you're a fighter. And I think you show me, and I think you show yourself that there are some things that we think we can't do or you can't do, but yes, you can do it. That when you have to do it, you get it done. And I'm really proud of that. Yeah, people. So really Kanisa wanted me to do this video to really express how I am feeling and how I'm coping and all. But for the most part, I think I am really doing good. I'm just preparing myself because I know that glory is on the way. Yeah, man, so I'm just preparing myself. But I want to really use some of the time to really big up and guys, some things that I've seen have happened and some things that we have experienced throughout this phase, it really dig deep. It caused it to really dig deep and to really realize that if I was ever wondering before if I really loved her, I think it is overly confirmed now. You understand? So baby, I appreciate all of what you're doing, and I know that our baby appreciate it very much. And when baby is here, I have to be careful now, guys, because I don't want to give her the gender yet. So I have to be talking in a way that doesn't contextualize the gender. So when baby is here, I know that baby, say that with Jerome, baby, I know that baby will appreciate everything, because if nobody else tell baby all of what you'd have gone through, daddy is going to tell baby, say, guess what? You see this lady here, your mama? Yeah, I'm going to tell baby everything, because honestly, it has not been an easy road, guys. And for this too, I want to say to the men, so when a woman pregnant, brother, step up, man, support her, you understand? Because I know what easy road, Mr. Kanisa break down several times, and even though the support is there, it has been hard, you understand? So just imagine when you have some ladies going through this all by themselves. So I say to the man them, but I take this pregnancy thing for granted and say, boy, I'm going to go. Me talk like a Jamaican. I go breed one down the road and I get one youth. So no, make sure you're ready for this and don't just leave the ladies alone to go through all of this. You are needed. And we need to understand too as men that emotionally they're going to need you. So even they might see them able to move around and do this, do that, emotionally they're going to need you. And as they increase in their age of pregnancy, put it that way, yeah, they're going to need you more emotion in a normal, you understand? And just let them know that you're there for them. Sometimes as men, you might not necessarily see the way out, because a lot of times I don't see the way out yet, even financially. But you have to be that last source of hope. And then you say, yeah man, babe, your duty is to carry the baby. Nobody worry about that. Guess what? I'm going to work this out. I am going to make this work. Because a lot of time that is me, you know. Me tell say, yeah man, it's like, alright, ask me how, I don't know. But the fact that I say that, it simply means I'm going to do whatever. And I'm talking about do whatever in a positive way. We're not going to sell out ourselves, we're not going to lose integrity. But we're going to put in the work to ensure that we get things done. You understand? So right now, I'm just happy. I'm just anticipate that glory day, and I want to say thanks to the Almighty God, because He has been there for us. You understand? He's not leave us out 1 minute. And I want to big up all the people who have been and still supporting us. We appreciate it. You understand? We just not load up some things, but we don't need to load up some things. People know themselves. So we want to big you up. We want to big up Team I Am Ready for Love. There are some persons who have been asking, have been checking in on us. I want to say thanks. Miss Linton, big up yourself. We appreciate the love. We appreciate the support. all the other persons out there, the call, the text, the comments, we appreciate it. Thank you very much. We just crave your prayers. Just continue to pray for us, and we'll keep updating you. I know that people want to know the gender of the baby. Is it a baby boy? Is it a baby girl? Yeah, man. We're going to make you know. You understand? In very, very short order. Not the next video, but the following video. You guys should know what's happening where the gender is concerned. But in the meantime, and between time, you can comment down below what you think, if you think it's a baby boy, or baby girl, or could be a twin, I don't know. Just comment down below, and when I drop that video, we'll be sure to highlight your comment and let you know if you passed the test. Right? You know, I just remember something though. I don't understand this now. Why when a Father's Day, we can't get one advertisement on TV? It's like say, yo, we don't recognize Fada. Say, here, me say Jamaicans. Me say to the world today. Big up the man them for Father's Day. It's not just Mother's Day alone a day, you know. Father's Day is an important day. You get what I say? So the man them want go out today. The man them want gift today. We got a pedicure. Yeah, we don't need pedi. We need everything. You understand? So, bros out there, big up on yourself. Ladies, do treat the man them to the man. Yeah, man. We still have some good men out there. So treat them. Big up on yourself. Have a good day. Catch you guys soon. Team, I am ready for love.